guys. As you see, I'm back on the camera, back in the back on the vlog thing. But look, today it's the last video. I got the tag right. This video, I'm already doing stuff to the tag. I'm doing fine. I'm doing the lowering springs. Yes, I'm gonna be lowered. The sock height is alright, but you know me. I'm always at a standstill at heart, so I gotta drop it somehow or some way. So I got the Eibach springs from Redline 360. Shout out to them for fast and easy shipping. What else? I don't know. I'm excited. That's simple as that. So I'm gonna go downstairs right now. I'll show you guys the review of the springs, and then from there, do the install and I'll show you all the results. I'm hella hyped. Like I've been waiting for the springs for the past week. So let's get to it. Yeah. So we're gonna move out all the cars now. You can see the Type S right there. My dad's car. We gotta move the Jeep, my sister's car. But once we move out of the cars, I'm gonna roll the car. Car's gonna come to the garage, and we're gonna jack it up, and then from there, work on the damn car. Guys, so these are the springs right here. Don't mind the hot pot box, but I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. Guys, I'm gonna unbox it now. Shout out to Redline 360 and Eibach for this package. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about the packaging. That's gonna open. Pretty simple and easy. Yeah, it's literally just the springs in it. Shout out to Eibach. Yeah, guys, these are the springs. I believe these are the rears, and then these are the fronts. So these drop the front by 1.2 inches and the rear by 1 inch. And so as you see out there, the front is gonna be sitting pretty good. The rears as well. The rears are lower than the rears, like as usual. But guys, I can imagine the car getting dropped just the perfect amount. So I'm getting the car. My dad is setting up the quick jocks right now, and then from there I'm gonna roll the car in, and then yeah, we're gonna start on the install for you guys. Guys, the car's in the garage now. I'm gonna start on the car. Guys, the car's jacked up, the wheels are off, it's hot as hell, but I'm gonna show you the suspension of it. So in the rear is just the whole shock, and then the spring in the rear right there. The front, it's like any other coilover or spring. It's a whole compartment. Just gotta take the whole thing out and then put the lowering spring in. Pretty simple. Shouldn't take too long. My dad and my cousins gonna help out. So shout out to them. Look at the MSX, guys. Oh, like you can tell, my dad got a chrome delete, carbon fiber emblem. What else? He has charge pipes in here. I don't know if you can see it, but the titanium charge pipes. And also, he got the rear carbon fiber emblem as well. He's gonna do more stuff to this car sooner or later. He's gonna work on interior, and then from there, go from there, because we're gonna do some like interior carbon fiber trim to make it look great. I love that carbon fiber. Yeah, guys, we finna work on the car now, and I'll get back to you once the front is out. It's pretty simple for the install, or it's like any other coilover or anything like that. Just replacing a spring and putting it back in like regular. So it's pretty simple and easy. I'm just breathless, I'm just tired, or hot. It's hot, so I can't breathe, you know? But yeah, guys, I'll get back to you guys once we are, get the first set of it done, and then going from there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're kind of having issues with the strut. Usually for cars this will just drop down, but this has not much room or play to play with, so we're trying to find a little car jack that's jack this, and this will just drop. But this is all that we got so far. You can see it. Like, it won't budge. Like, usually it would budge, but like it's not budging, so we're gonna try to figure this out right now. Alright guys, so I just went to Lowe's to get some WD-40 for the front strut because it was really a hard time to budge the cut that it sinks into. Right now, I got back, they're working in the rear, so we're going to start working in the rears right now. And from there, go back to the fronts, because the rears are easier. It's just a spring, just decompress it, take it out, put the new one in. Pretty easy and simple. But then, yeah, so we just got to do the front, and then, or the back first. The back is like probably halfway done. It looks like they're almost done. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah. So.
Here's the rear one.
Oh yeah, we got the spring out already. So we're gonna go to the back and do the back first, like I said, and then we'll go back to the front. So I'll get back to you once the back is done, and then the front is gonna be done next. So. Alright guys, so we got done with the rears. I'll put you guys down. We're done with the rears. We're just putting the last bolt into the arm, but besides that, the rears are done. Now it's the front. We're still having an issue with the front. I went to the store to get some WD-40 to see if we can loosen up the little cup area so we can pull it out, since it is stuck, and every time we push down the boot it's getting messed up, so we don't want to do that. But besides that, the rears are pretty damn easy, honestly. Like 3 bolts, drop the thingy, put the spring, take the spring out, put all the top half, put the bottom half back on, put it in, screw it back in, good. Yeah, again, shout out to my dad and my cousin for helping me out with this. But yeah, guys, let me know what content you want to see next. I have a few more sponsors coming in for this car, so we'll go from there. So let me know what y'all want to see next, man. I'm excited for this build, and yeah, let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Alright, guys, you can see the rears are on. Those are good. Now it's just a matter of the front. That's all, guys. The front's been giving us a lot of issues, honestly. But besides that, we should be good, honestly. Again, shout out to Eibach and Red Efficiency for the drink with tackle. W companies. Right? The back, or the rear, or the front. The front is a hassle. Shout out to Jorge for pulling up saving the day again. He was featured in the last video, you know what I'm saying? So, as soon as Jorge came,
you always gotta be on site.
boom. But as soon as Jorge came, bro, we were working. Done, bro. It's out the freaking cup. All we gotta do is step on it and stand on it. But yeah, we finna get that out and decompress it and go on from there, y'all. Alright guys, me and Schwartz got this side in. And the passenger side now. My dad's just cleaning the rotor so no brake squealing will happen. And then next week, I'm gonna let the spring settle in for a bit. And then I'll get an alignment so that way if this car like set. But yeah, we're gonna work on this side, be done with that side, and then call it a night. I'll show y'all the results once we get there. Alright guys, so finally, shout out to her and my dad. Like, they made this happen, you know what I'm saying? It's finally done.
Okay.
Oh, I need to close the hatch real quick.
Is there? Okay, yeah. It should be fine right there.
But guys, we're about to drop the car in 1 sec. Give me 1 sec, alright? Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Oh, we still got to settle. We're gonna settle in too. Hopefully you don't have to mow your fenders.
That looks good. The gap is gone.
That's an aggressive ass look. I like it.
Guys, look at this. W fitment.
Get that action.
That's W fitment.
Wait for it to settle a little bit more.
It'll drop lower. Shout out to Jorge again, bruh. Shout out to bro. Honestly, guys, I'm probably gonna call it. It's been a long day with this car, and yeah, I'll get back to you once I drop off George, and then from there, head home. And then I'll update y'all what the next plans are for the car and whatnot. And then yeah, so just a little update for you guys. The car sits the way it is. Love you. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about the springs, bruh. Cause I think personally, it's a perfect ride height. Like, it's not hella low, but it's low. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? Like, nothing compared to my IS. Forever loved. But there's nothing compared to that. But like, bro, as far as like track fitment and like, you know, stance fitment, it's perfect. Once I get new wheels and like, you know, a wing and front lip and side skirts, car is set. And then yeah, so yeah guys, I'm tired as hell. It is currently 12:13 at night, midnight. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower, guys. I'm gonna take rollers and videos tomorrow for you guys and pictures and whatnot. Show you guys the car more better in the daytime. But yeah guys, I'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, everything. I appreciate y'all. We finally hit 520 some followers or subscribers. I appreciate y'all for that heavily. So thank you for that. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Alright y'all.